FlexJobs online job platform review, usage experience. Welcome to today's review of FlexJobs, a premium online job platform specializing in remote, freelance, and flexible job opportunities. Links to FlexJobs are in the description, so be sure to check them out. FlexJobs sets itself apart by offering vetted, scam-free job listings, ensuring that every opportunity on the platform is legitimate. Unlike free job boards, it requires a paid subscription. But this comes with significant advantages, including curated job postings, skill tests, career coaching, and resume reviews. It's particularly useful for professionals looking for remote work, part-time roles, or contract positions in fields like IT, writing, customer service, and project management. The platform provides advanced filtering options, allowing job seekers to refine searches based on job type, career level, industry, and work schedule. Each job listing includes detailed company information, helping users make informed decisions. One of the biggest advantages is that FlexJobs eliminates job scams, which are common on free platforms. Their team manually screens every job post to ensure legitimacy. Employers also benefit from FlexJobs by gaining access to high-quality, pre-screened candidates who are serious about flexible work. Companies looking to fill remote positions often prefer hiring through FlexJobs due to its targeted talent pool and high application quality compared to general job boards. A potential downside is the subscription cost, which may deter casual job seekers. However, considering the time saved avoiding scams and irrelevant listings, it can be a worthwhile investment for professionals serious about finding remote or flexible work. The job listings themselves link to employer websites, meaning users still apply directly through external portals, but this ensures a direct connection with hiring managers. Overall, FlexJobs is one of the best platforms for remote and flexible work, offering a secure, scam-free environment with valuable career resources. If you're looking for a reliable way to find high-quality flexible jobs, it's worth considering. Check out the links in the description to explore FlexJobs today.